Floating a ball on water. A ball floats on water because of buoyancy. The density of water is more than the ball, so it floats on the water. Helium gas balloon. Helium is lighter gas whose density is much smaller than the air, so it sails in the air easily. The sailing is due to the buoyancy of the balloon on air medium. Egg floating. The egg has a special buoyancy character. It always sinks in fresh water and floats on salt water. This is due to the differences in the density of water and salt water. Sailing of boat or ship. Ships and boats sail on the water due to buoyancy. The buoyancy exerted on the ships and boat makes them sail efficiently. Submarines. Submarines are underwater vehicle that floats due to buoyancy. Submarines are excellent neutral buoyancy examples because they are made to travel in the midway of the sea, neither sinking nor rising. The submarines are able to sail under the sea because of the buoyant force. The buoyant force is balanced by the upward thrust and is able to maintain the flotation of the submarines. Steel object on the water. The steel objects sink into the object because steel is denser than the water. The sink is due to less buoyancy of steel in water. Duck toy in the bathtub. The duck toys float on the water in the bathtub due to buoyancy. Oil spills. Oil spills float on the water because of the buoyancy exerted on the oil spills. Floating of rubber. Some rubber objects float on the water because of the buoyancy exerted on them. Aircraft. The lift and the drag acting on the aircraft while moving in the air are due to the buoyancy. Fired bullet in the air. When the bullet is fired, it travels in the air. The buoyancy exerted on the bullet makes them move in the air. Fishes. The fish can swim easily on the water due to buoyancy. The thick swim bladder is expanded and displaces the water, and thus, greater buoyancy is exerted. A swimmer. A swimmer experiences more buoyancy while swimming. It makes them float on the water easily. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.